Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how to make peanut butter toast. So first thing you gotta do, or first thing you need, is a toaster. Okay, and then you simply plug in said toaster. Be careful around electrical outlets. Then you can take a paper towel or a plate, set it down on your counter. Okay, take some bread, open the bread, reach inside, grab how many pieces of toast you want, or bread. Bread becomes toast. Push down, or however you work your toaster. Close the bread. Bread is closed. Wait for your toast. Here's my dog. He is good boy. This is my other dog. He is also good boy. Still waiting for the toast. It's 12:08. Still waiting. While you're waiting for your toast, you can get the peanut butter. Grab a butter knife and wait for your toast. I like to put cinnamon sugar on my peanut butter toast, so that's what I'll do. Oh, toast is done. Carefully remove the toast from the toaster. Don't touch the metal, it's hot. Lay down your 2 pieces of toast on your paper towel. Unplug the toaster for safety reasons and electricity bills. Next up, open the peanut butter. Peanut butter is opened. Take your butter knife. Put it in the peanut butter. Grab some peanut butter with the knife. Spread it on the toast. Repeat this until the toast is completely covered in peanut butter. Now that one piece is covered in peanut butter, do the same to the other piece. Again, make sure it's covered in peanut butter. Unless, of course, you don't like peanut butter or are allergic to peanut butter, use an alternative like butter. I like peanut butter. Now that both pieces of toast is covered in peanut butter, put the butter knife into your sink. And then close the peanut butter. Hold on. Once your peanut butter is closed, put it back. And now you're done. Or you can put some cinnamon on it. I like cinnamon, it's good. Makes it taste good. People also put cinnamon on buttered toast, but I like peanut butter. Gently sprinkle the cinnamon on it. Okay? That's not enough. Let's try something else. Let's use my dominant right hand to sprinkle some cinnamon. That's pretty good. Do it on the other side. That's pretty good. Close the cinnamon. Put the cinnamon back. Bam, your toast is done. Yum yum. Thanks for watching.